Winter brings a lot of joys, cozy nights by the fire, festive holidays, and perhaps a bit of snow. But along with all the seasonal cheer, many people also experience the dreaded winter cough. It's that persistent, nagging cough that just won't seem to go away, making cold days and nights even more uncomfortable. Whether it's a dry, tickly throat or a chesty cough that lingers for weeks, understanding why we get this winter cough and how to manage it can help us enjoy the season to the fullest. So keep watching to learn what causes a winter cough and the best way to find relief. A winter cough is a persistent cough that typically occurs during the colder months. Some people cough more in the winter due to a combination of environmental factors, increased susceptibility to respiratory infections, and exacerbation of chronic conditions. A winter cough can be caused by several factors, often interrelated, making the colder months particularly challenging for many. One primary cause is the dry, cold air that irritates the respiratory tract, leading to a persistent tickle or cough. Additionally, the use of indoor heating systems can dry out the air even more, exacerbating the problem. Winter is also prime time for respiratory infections like cold and flu, which can cause or worsen a cough as the body tries to clear the airways of mucus and irritants. Allergies to dust mites, mold, or pet dander, which are more prevalent indoors during winter, can also trigger coughing fits. Finally, conditions such as asthma and chronic bronchitis can be aggravated by cold air and increased indoor pollutants, leading to a more severe and frequent winter cough. Understanding these causes can help in finding the right strategies to manage and alleviate the symptoms. The symptoms of a winter cough can vary widely, but they often include a persistent, nagging cough that can be either dry or productive. A dry cough typically causes a tickling sensation in the throat and can lead to a sore throat due to the frequent coughing. On the other hand, a productive cough involves the expulsion of mucus, which can be clear, white, yellow, or green depending on the underlying cause. People with a winter cough may also experience chest discomfort or pain from the repetitive coughing and sometimes a wheezing sound when breathing. Additionally, symptoms can include a runny or stuffy nose, sneezing, and a general feeling of fatigue or malaise. In some cases, particularly if the cough is due to an infection, there may be a mild fever and body aches. These symptoms can be annoying and disruptive, making it important to address them early to prevent complications and promote quicker recovery. Treating a winter cough involves a combination of home remedies, over-the-counter medications, and sometimes medical intervention. Staying hydrated is crucial as fluids help thin mucus and soothe an irritated throat. Warm beverages like herbal teas with honey can provide comfort and act as natural cough suppressants. Using a humidifier can add moisture to the dry indoor air, alleviating throat irritation and easing coughing. Over-the-counter cough syrups and lozenges can offer temporary relief, while decongestants may help if nasal congestion is contributing to the cough. Inhaling steam from a bowl of hot water or taking a warm shower can also help clear the airways. If the cough persists for more than a few weeks, worsens, or is accompanied by high fever, chest pain, or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek medical advice. A doctor might prescribe medications like antibiotics if a bacterial infection is present, or inhalers if asthma is exacerbating the cough. Addressing underlying conditions such as allergies or chronic respiratory issues can also be key in managing a winter cough effectively. Identifying your type of winter cough is essential for finding the most effective treatment. Start by noting the characteristics of your cough. Is it dry and irritating, or are you coughing up mucus? A dry cough, often caused by irritation from cold, dry air, or allergens, tends to be persistent and produces a tickling sensation in the throat. In contrast, a productive cough, which helps clear mucus from the respiratory tract, can be a sign of a respiratory infection like a cold, flu, or bronchitis. Pay attention to the color and consistency of the mucus. Clear or white mucus typically indicates a viral infection, while yellow or green mucus may suggest a bacterial infection. Consider other accompanying symptoms such as wheezing, which might indicate asthma or COPD, or a sore throat and nasal congestion, which often accompany colds and flu. If your cough is severe, lasts more than a few weeks, or is accompanied by symptoms like high fever, chest pain, or shortness of breath, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for a precise diagnosis and appropriate treatment. Understanding the nature of your cough can guide you to the right remedies and help you recover more swiftly this winter. The duration of a winter cough can vary significantly depending on its underlying cause and individual health factors. Typically, a cough associated with a common cold or mild respiratory infection might last for 1 to 2 weeks, gradually improving as the infection resolves. However, if the cough is due to more persistent irritants, such as dry air or indoor allergens, it may linger for several weeks until the environment changes or the irritant is removed. For those with chronic conditions like asthma or chronic bronchitis, a winter cough can be a recurring issue throughout the colder months, flaring up with exposure to cold air or indoor pollutants. In cases where a cough persists beyond 3 weeks, it is classified as a chronic cough, and seeking medical advice is recommended to rule out more serious conditions such as pneumonia, COPD, or other underlying health issues. Effective management and addressing the specific cause can help reduce the duration and discomfort of a winter cough. An effective home remedy for a winter cough is a mixture of honey and warm tea or lemon. Honey has natural antibacterial properties and can soothe the throat, reducing irritation and suppressing the cough reflex. To make this remedy, simply mix a tablespoon of honey into a cup of warm tea, such as chamomile or ginger tea, or warm water with a squeeze of lemon juice. The warmth of the tea or lemon water helps to relax the throat muscles and loosen mucus, making it easier to expel. Additionally, the lemon provides a boost of vitamin C, which can support the immune system. Sip this mixture slowly, and you can repeat it several times a day as needed to alleviate coughing and soothe your throat. This natural remedy is generally safe for most people, but it's important to consult with your doctor before trying new remedies or medications at home. But as previously mentioned, dealing with a winter cough can be frustrating, but with the right knowledge and care, you can manage it effectively. Remember, staying hydrated, keeping warm, and using home remedies like honey and steam can provide much-needed relief. If your cough persists or worsens, don't hesitate to seek medical advice to rule out more serious conditions. Embrace the season with confidence, knowing you have the tools to combat that pesky winter cough, and enjoy all the wonderful moments winter has to offer. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. There should be some other helpful videos popping up on your screen right about now that I think you will enjoy. And just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.